Hi Uncle Lou, it's Margot. I challenge you to make my sweet potato sesame balls, like you can see here in this picture. Good luck!
Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, I've got a really special episode for you today. I know I say that every time, but today's super special. I've been challenged by Margot Drobby, who happens to be my all-time favourite Instagram account for vegan food, right? Literally every post that you see on there is a work of art and it's 10 out of 10. She's also got all of her recipes on the website too, so she's not holding anything back. I highly recommend you go and check her out. It's been a long time coming and I've been planning on doing a collab with her for a very long time, but this time she posted something and I was like, this is the one. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. We're making sweet potato sesame balls. Now, it's very similar to mochi, the Japanese treat, except for this one, it's slightly crispy on the outside, but again, it's like marshmallowy on the inside. Just, you've got to try it. So folks, remember, as always, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, or animals, or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment. If you want me to try one of your recipes, just DM me on the Instagram. Let's get talking. I love you all. Have an amazing day. Let's get cooking. So folks, in the interest of time, I'm going to run through the recipe real quick, but it will also be written in the description. For this recipe, you're going to want some sweet potato, some glutinous rice flour, some sugar, some sesame seeds, some water, and oil for cooking. Now we're going to begin with the sweet potato. We're just going to stab it all over and we're going to wrap it in tin foil. And we're going to stick that in the oven for 1 hour on 200 degrees C or 390 degrees F. Feel it, make sure it's all nice and soft. It should literally be pretty much melted. Now, this is the glutinous rice flour I'm using, not regular rice flour, so make sure that you have that written there. Now we're going to peel our sweet potato, and we're going to mash that, and start by adding the sugar, and slowly but surely we're going to add in our glutinous rice flour. Keep mashing until it gets too tricky to do it with the masher itself, and we're going to start kneading it. The texture that you want is when it's not sticky anymore. That's pretty much how you know. And once you have that at the right texture, we're going to roll that ball into a nice worm, for use of a better word, and we're going to roll those into 12 separate balls. Make sure you've got 12, that's about right for the quantity. Next, we're going to add the glutinous rice flour into the water and we're going to mix that to make a form of slurry. And we're going to roll those in the sesame. Make sure they're nice and evenly coated. Next, on medium-high heat, we're going to dunk those balls into the oil. Just like when you're cooking gnocchi, they'll rise to the top when they're ready. Now you want to keep turning them until they become a nice orange colour, pretty much the same colour as the sweet potato itself. Look at that, look at how beautiful that came out. And we're just going to plate them up. Try and absorb the oil off of them. You don't really want to pick them up and then for your fingers to go greasy. There you have it, look at that. Beautiful people, look at this. Look at how amazing these came out. Margot, you absolute legend. Okay, time for the taste test. I'll give it a bite and let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Oh wow. Oh, that's amazing. It's like mochi. I don't know if you know what mochi is, but mochi is one of the most amazing things. So basically it's like a crispy on the outside mochi with the taste of sesame. This is so good. Folks, give it a thumbs up. Go and follow Margot. And there you have it, folks. Sweet potato sesame balls. Came out absolutely amazing, but I knew they would. Don't forget, guys, follow Margot on her Instagram. Go check out her website. You will not be disappointed. This isn't even an ad. Literally, I reached out to her because I saw what she has on there, so do check her out. Don't forget, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Ciao for now.